ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. Canto 1, Chapter 1, Shloka 23. ब्रूहि योगेश्वरे कृष्णे ब्रह्मण्ये धर्मवर्मिणि स्वां काष्ठाम् अधुनोपेते धर्मकं शरणं गतः. ब्रूहि, please tell. Yuga Ishvara, the Lord of all mystic powers. Krishne, Lord Krishna. Brahmanye, the absolute truth. Dharma, religion. Varmani, protector. Svam, own. Kashtam, abhorred. Adhuna, nowadays. Upit, having gone away. Dharma, religion. Come on to whom? Sharanam, shelter. Gata, gone. Bruhi yogeshware Krishne Brahmanye dharma varmani Swam kashta madhuno pede dharma kam sharanam gataha. Since Sri Krishna, the absolute truth, the master of all mystic powers, has departed from his own abode, please tell us to whom the religious principles have now gone for shelter. ब्रूहि योगेश्वरे कृष्णे ब्रह्मण्ये धर्मवर्मणि स्वां काष्ठमधुनोपेदे धर्मकं शरणं गतः. Essentially, religion is prescribed course enunciated by the personality of God, Bhagavan Mahavishnu himself. Whenever there is gross misuse or neglect of the principles of religion, the Supreme Lord appears himself to restore religious principles. This is stated as Bhagavad Gita. Here, the sages of Naimisharanya are inquiring about these principles. The reply to this question is given later. The Srimad Bhagavatam is a transcendental sound representation of the personality of God Bhagavan Mahavishnu, and thus it is the full representation of transcendental knowledge and religious principles. Thus, in the Bhakti Vedanta purports of first canto, first chapter of Srimad Bhagavatam entitled Questions by the Sages. इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां प्रथमस्कन्धे नैमिषीयोपाख्याने प्रथमोऽध्यायः. श्रीहरे नमः. श्रीहरे नमः. गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द.